I've narrowed my niche to high-achieving women trapped in people-pleasing who are abandoning themselves to keep everyone happy. The problem side is clear, but I'm struggling with the outcome transformation side because everyone I work with wants different external outcomes. More aligned friendships, to move cities, to start a new business, to be seen in a relationship. My work is really about helping them trust and choose themselves without guilt, but I'm worried that feels too vague. How do I make my niche specific and tangible when the external outcomes vary? It's a great question. Yeah. There's a few things, right? It's part of it is sometimes we focus on island A, sometimes we focus on island B. And it really depends what's most real for people. So, for example, if I am wanting to go travel Europe, backpack Europe, that's the island B. That's what I want. And it may not, there may be a lot of island A's that are driving me there. Maybe I hate the town I live in. Maybe I'm bored in my career. And it might just be, I just want to go. There's no big problem, but I just want to do this thing. I have this craving. I want to do it. And sometimes, right, there's a real clear problem, but there may be multiple things people want. And sometimes it's a very clear thing for both. We know the exact journey we're helping people on. But then you see, then in this case, if we say, okay, I just know the problem and the results vary, then actually the result that they want is that problem to go away. That's as far as they've taken it. So I'm in acute physical pain, right? Okay. What do you want on the other side of it? Just for the pain to go away. I know, but do you want to go skiing? Do you want to go hiking? Do you want to be playing with your kids more? I just want the pain to go away. That may be as far as they know. And I think that's a legitimate island B, is the absence of pain, the absence of that problem. And so, that could just be like, as you say, I want to be able to say no. I want to be able to set boundaries. I want to be able to, yeah. And one of the clearest questions, I think, for island B is to think about, okay, so these women who come to me, they're high-achieving women, but they're trapped in people-pleasing. Who do they envy and why? The ones you want to work with, who do they envy and why? And this could be movie characters in books, could be celebrities, but somebody well-known, because that tells you pretty much everything you need to know about island B. Yeah, because that's a real incarnated example. And so that's probably what they're craving. Like, I'm craving to be this kind of person. I'm craving to be this kind of a woman, the kind of woman who could do this and that and say yes here and no here and deal with people in this way. So I might really delve into like, what is that kind of woman that they want to be rather than the specific result? Because I think the kind of woman they want to be is the result in this case that they're probably craving. And I also want to say about this high-achieving women trapped in people-pleasing who are abandoning themselves and to keep everybody else happy. It would still be good to have a list of potential symptoms. And sometimes you can say like, look, situations may vary, but often for island A, I hear situations like this. Here's the specific like little vignettes, little scenarios that a high-achieving woman trapped in people-pleasing might go through. These are the like top common ones I hear. And then, what women are craving a lot, they want to be this kind of a woman, but the kind of woman who could do, and then you could write out all those different island Bs, right? The kind of woman who could do this or this or this or this. And then that's clear.